Hi everyone! It's a Wednesday and I'm off to pick up my daughter Kayla. But then, inagahan ko ng alis kasi dito ako sa Dollarama. May binili ako guys na tray, tapos snacks, and ano pa bang binili ko? Sa stapler pala. So, I'm on my way now to pick up Kayla. So, I'll see you there. Actually, guys, maaga pa kasi 2:45 ko kukunin si Kayla today. Kaya andito muna ako sa loob. Hindi muna ako lalabas kasi malamig sa labas. Mahangin. Parang medyo malamig. So, kaya dito muna ako mag-aantay hanggang 2:35 kasi 5 minutes walk lang naman. So, aalis na rin ako saglit. So, ayan na guys. Maglalakad na ako. So, dyan yung Dollarama. Oh my God. Parang walang pathway dito. Tingnan nyo naman yung ice. So, dito yung pathway. And yung daycare ni Kayla dyan lang. Dyan na corner. Parang 1 block away lang dito sa Dollarama. So maglalakad na ako guys. Para makaabot ako ng 2:40 doon. It's just like 5 minutes walk from here. Magko-cross muna tayo ng street. You have to be careful though. Hey! Nakakross na ako ng one way from there. So cross tayo ulit papunta doon. Di pa natin turn. So busy na yung streets guys kasi uwian na. Okay, it's my turn. Pauwi mo yung mga tao. So, ayan. Ito yung nilalakad ko everyday from the bus stop. Okay lang naman. Yun nga lang, let's make sure na naka-jacket tayo ng proper attire. Or, yeah, sorry. Nabubulol na ako. Nakapag proper bundle up tayo kasi nga sometimes it gets very cold. But then today is just okay. A little bit cold but it's fine. As long as dry. See? Dry ngayon guys. Walang mga basa. So, I'm here. Andito na ako. So, pick up ko lang si Kayla. Tapos uwi din kami kaagad kasi baka dadating na si Kian. I already have Kayla with me. She's still eating her snacks. She's not yet done eating snacks, but I have to pick her up so we won't miss the bus. Kasi dadating na si Kuya. Kuya's coming. So we should walk fast, love, okay? Okay? How was school today? Good. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We're gonna
Mom,
ride the
you know
bus.
what activity I do?
What did you
I
do?
play Play-Doh again.
Wow!
I make a heart for Mommy.
Wow, that's nice and sweet. Thank you,
I
Kayla.
made a butterfly. So I wish there was a butterfly.
A butterfly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is there no butterfly?
You go to this side, love.
No, why is there no
Go to
butterfly?
this side.
Here?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh, no butterflies because it's winter.
In summer there's butterflies.
Yes. Yes,
Mom,
dear.
when is my birthday?
On summer.
Summer?
Yeah.
But your birthday is lucky.
Huh?
Your birthday is lucky and snow.
Oh, no.
I
You have to
want
be quick so we won't miss the bus. Continue eating your food. We are off to ride the bus. Bus, bus, bus. Off to ride the bus.
Wow, you should get that shirt, Mom.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Oh no. Is your bag heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, your backpack's heavy. You want mommy to carry it? Huh? Okay, we'll stop and I'll carry it.
Why is such a Kit Kat there?
Kit Kat? It's just a wrapper. Bus is here. Tamang-tama lang yung dating namin, guys. We are here. Nakababa na kami ng bus, guys. We are just walking home. Tingnan nyo yung snow. Ang dumi. Diyan maputi. Kayla still eating her snacks. She said, I came fast. You want me to come fast, eh? Put it in your pocket, love. Wait, why did you do that to your mouth? What is that sound? Come on, oh, which way you going? Oh my God, you almost hit the car. Look at the snow. Pile of snow is dirty. So Kian will be home in 20 minutes. So he's gonna come from that side, from that corner. Diyan siya ibababa nung bus, guys. And I have to wait for him sa balcony na lang.
My shoes.
And then, gagawa ko ng snacks. We are home na, guys. Ay, upo muna ako ng kahit 5 minutes bago ko aabang ulit si Kian. Kayla is home from school. Kayla. Hello, iPad again? Oh, no. So, para hindi siya umiyak kapag hinahatid namin sa school, sinasabihan namin na pagka-uwi niya, pwede siyang mag-iPad for an hour. So, kaya ayun, automatic kapag nauwi, nag-iPad. Pero tumitigil naman kapag sinasabihan ng that's enough, tapos na yung time mo. So, tumitigil naman din siya. So, ayun, upo-upo muna kahit 5 minutes. Meron namang crackers dyan. So, yan na lang muna yung snacks nila. Ayoko munang magluto. Kasi medyo sumasakit yung kamay ko. May carpal tunnel ata ako, guys. Masakit. Yung right hand ko, ito. Masakit. So, common yung carpal tunnel dito dahil repetitive yung work. Tapos, pagdating sa bahay, repetitive din yung hugas, luto. So, kaya yun, common siya. Need lang siyang ipahinga para mag-feel better. Andiyan na yung school bus, guys. Nakikita ko na si Kian. Dito lang ako sa taas. Wait. There, naglalakad. I don't know if makikita nyo. Basta andyan na siya, naglalakad. Kasama nung ibang mga bata na nasa neighborhood lang din. So, ayan. After this, hindi ako magluluto ng ulam. Kasi may mga leftover pa kami kahapon. So, that's it. Hindi ako magluluto. Makakapag-relax yung mga kamay ko na may carpal tunnel. So, aantayin na lang namin mauwi si Fritz. 5 pa yung out niya. So, probably mga 5:30 or more. Kung traffic, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Kailangan pa talagang naka-hoodie pa din, guys. Kasi malamig siya. Pero, gusto ko kasi dry na yung street. Tingnan nyo naman, diba? Ayoko nung nagsusnow. Ang basa. Tapos maputik. So, sana hindi na mag-snowstorm. Nang sa ganun, ito na lang na snow na nag-accumulate ang magme-melt hanggang spring. So, now, para hindi na siya basa, diba? Tingnan, nakikita nyo naman yung kaninang pinakita ko, yung pile of snow. Madumi siya, guys. Parang putik. So, sana hindi na mag-snow. Pero, I bet magsusnow pa kasi February pa. March pa lang medyo okay. Kasi spring na sa March. And I can't wait for spring break ng mga bata para makapagpahinga din yung mga bata kalalabas everyday. There you go. Kian's here. Kuya. Say hi. He's waving his hand. He's gonna cross the street now. Left and right, please. So, yan yung mga bata dito, guys. Maliliit pa, pero independent na. Kasi nga, pinapa-school bus lang dito. Tapos, doon na sila kumakain. Aga silang nagiging independent kasi nga natuturuan sa school. So doon na sila kumakain. Tapos nagbabayad lang kami ng service de garde. Parang daycare sa lunch. Tapos kung kailangan mo namang ihatid ng maaga, magbabayad ka din ng morning tsaka afternoon na daycare. So ayun, hindi katulad nung sa atin, 'di ba, na hanggang grade 5, grade 6, hinahatid pa din ng parents, tapos hinahatid yung lunch sa school. Dito kailangan nilang masanay ng ganun. Kasi yung buhay dito iba sa Pilipinas. So, dyan, pwedeng yung mama naghahatid ng lunch sa lunch, naghahatid ng lunch, ng food sa lunch, I mean. Pero dito, nakabaon na. So, grade 1, kindergarten pa lang si Kian. Marunong na siyang kumain mag-isa, guys. And he's here!
Hi guys!
Hi, guys! Welcome to my
House.
Welcome to my vlog. How's school?
Good.
Good? Okay. Oh, you're so warm. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh no, what happened to this?
Oh, that's just some.
Pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you want to have for snacks?
For snacks, I'll decide later.
Okay, you're still full?
Yeah, because I finished everything at school.
Okay, good job. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you so much for watching. Baka bukas ulit makapag-vlog kung anong mga ganap. Pero usually ganito lang naman everyday. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!